A customer of mine owned a Vespa SS180, which he had owned for many years. Unfortunately, while riding around one day, he got hit by a taxi and unfortunately ended up with 2 crushed side panels, leg shields folded in, and numerous other damages all over the scooter. So he came to me and said to me, "Sandy, I need this scooter restored better than factory." So we stripped the scooter apart once again, itemised everything, collated what we needed, found original SS180 side panels, leg shields were panel beated back to perfection, and then painted in the luscious original red paint that she was. Believe it or not, the scooter was purple when he had owned it. And I convinced him, once I stripped the scooter back, to go back to its original red, which we then did, and it still lives today. Usually what happens when we strip these scooters apart is we find holes all over the body panels. There were numerous people who have bolted badges, carriers. They've added bits and bobs, agricultural pieces to make it function on their farm. So a lot of the job that I have is to weld up these holes, find cracks that are in the frame through the wear and tear of the bodies, panel beat shapes back into the original forms, straighten the bodies on jigs to make sure that when they are restored, they go straight as possibly they can and they're not a danger to their customers, and to have another lease at life.